Hello everyone, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, and little Miss Nora is in my room, so if you hear noise, that's what's up. Today I am going to work through this pile. I'll turn it back on. Oh, ball baby. This pile right here that Nora's trying to stand on now. Woo! And sorry. My goal is to go through it, organize it by colors and themes and stuff so I can work on some page kits. So let's see what I can come up with today. That is my goal. I'm not feeling too well, so doing anything else probably is not going to happen. And both my kids are home because it's still holiday vacation. So, yep, I'm on the floor and I don't have a lot of space, but I'm totally making this happen today. So wish me luck. Okay, who's ready to get real with me, you guys? This is after this post-hospital visit, so I have spent some time after getting home and went through my sorting of my papers. This is all of the pattern papers I have that do belong. You guys, granted, you have to understand I'm just in a small space. So all the pattern papers that were in there, I took them all out except for like the cardstock, my white cardstock. And I made some piles so that I could go through some stuff. So this one right here is neutrals. So blacks and grays and, craft. That would make, that's just, I just wanted to get them into one thing because I do think about those in one way. This pile is kind of the complete opposite. So this is very much the front sides are just color. One kind of solid color or whatever to grab to. Thinking this would be a good thing to grab for page kits. This is kind of I've started a couple ideas for page kits, kind of come to my idea, so I've got a few there. And then the very top, I just don't know what to do with them yet, but I'm not quite ready to get rid of them, so they're staying there. This collection is my favorite papers that I love them, so I want to reach to them first, so they're in a special spot so I can get to them. This collection is all my girly stuff. So Cute Girl and the Little by Little collection from Chamel, I cannot seem to break them apart. Like, it just has to be one thing, and I am never gonna scrap it because I love it so much, but I need to get to that. So there's that one. I have a nice pile underneath here that is gonna be everything I'm gonna cut apart. In any type of way that I had an idea to cut apart with. That's what all of this is. I did that yesterday because I do have to take it a little bit easy. And you're getting a little sneak peek at the layout for Thursday. I fussy cut all these florals. And I was going to save it and do all of the stitching while I'm in the hospital for my actual stay once this baby comes. But now I have a great idea on how to use it for bling. So this is going to be my bling layout. And then let me stroll around here. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. Okay, this pile right here. It's all things that have like a decent pattern to them. A little bit bigger of a pattern. Again, just trying to help myself so when I do make these page kits, it'll work. That is another one where I like the paper. I'm still kind of, I'm not sure what to do with it. Not really, so it's all just kind of there. This is all like stripes of any type. I have a tiny, 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 like 4 pages of grids. And then that is my scraps. So that is how I have separated them. You can't count Christmas in that. I put that all aside. And I do have a little, way back there. That's the start of my giveaway pile. But that's where I'm at. So now I have to get this all cleaned up and organized, and hopefully I can create a couple page kits or just give you an example of a page kit that I may be creating, show you where it's going to go back, and I'll wrap up this first series of organizing my my paper collection. Okay. I have a second thought. All of these are my kits and stuff. Debating about going through some of them. Not all of them. Some of them I want to keep as page kits to kind of do like what I'm doing today with this month with the color wash collection. But I'm wondering if I could go through some of them and organize some more paper. So How do you do that? And I know you guys have seen this room. How do I do that? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this a mess and just keep going and organizing and cleaning it up at the end, or if I'm going to clean it up and do it. So you're obviously going to know before, but I want to know in the comments what you would have done, because I think I'm about to destroy my scrap room. And you guys, I am supposed to have 2 layouts done today. That's not going to happen. I'm going to do this instead. Yep, that's my goal. It's done. So I moved a few things. You guys, my room is still completely crazy, and it's dark in here, so I apologize. I moved over some albums and stuff, so I'm going to have a little bit of room to add a couple more. These blue ones are all my family albums, so starting from the start of my family in 2013 and onward, so I can fit 2 more in there, which is nice. But so I was able to move that, made some room, took out those page kits, like my kits from Christina, made some room. Each one of these boxes is eventually going to represent a kid, so Nora, baby, Jackson. If you notice I say baby, we're not sharing the baby's name yet, so that's why I keep saying that, sorry. And then I went ahead and organized the few kits that I do want to keep, and you'll see these, you'll see the shares because I will do them each month. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months worth of basically how to kill a kit with style packages good to go. If I choose, or if I get excited and just do it myself, I'll share with you accordingly when the time comes. But I'm just going to keep those all there, and then as I build my own stash kits, I will also apply them there. And then this binder right here is for just empty page protectors and stuff. So that hangs out there with me. And then finally, I have all of my papers organized. Sorry about the light. And I did, the front is the ones I'm going to work with the page kit. I'm going to grab one of these pages and create a page kit with each one of them, which you'll see. I'll do it on video so you can see them, but that's the start of that. And then I just kind of randomly have different things. I have 2 started, so they're right behind that as well. And then the papers that I really like and will probably turn into page kits. The girl paper I was talking to you about that I just can't seem to break up. The stripes, the kind of boulder patterns in the back behind that. The stuff I don't know what to do with. And then, and my second shelf, because this is split into 2, I have the pattern papers that are all one color and kind of like a solid. You could read it as a solid if you choose. My white cardstock, my black glitter paper. I have a little bit of craft, and then behind that is my pattern paper that is black, and craft and all of that is behind there. And you guys, that's honestly, that's my paper stash. So the only thing you're missing is I have 2, I'm gonna slowly zoom, sorry guys, and this lovely pile of stuff because I de-kitted basically all of those kits. So I have to figure out what to do with the embellishments and all of that great stuff. But in there is 2 different ones. There's 2 girls ones, like really, really girly, and 2 boy collections. Christina has made me a kit for all 4 of those. I'm going to probably combine them and figure out what to do with those, but they're going to turn into their own kits, and then those will just simply go back with the pile that I have for everything else. So that is the first look you have at how I went through all of that. I will be back next week with my first kind of set of page kits probably for you. I'm hoping to maybe do that. It'll be something. I'm going to try to make this a weekly video for you. So that's where I'm at. I hope you've enjoyed, and let me know if you have any questions or comments or anything like that. I'd love to hear what you think, or if you have any suggestions on what you think I should do. I'm up for all of it. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll be back soon. Bye.